In this video, I'm going to show you how to make text bold in Outlook mobile app. Now you can do this inside the mobile app in various different places, but I'm going to show you the most common one, which is of course whenever you're sending an email inside the body of that email. So just tap on new email bottom right, and this is going to allow you to write a new email. And as you can see here, I can just go ahead and start typing. So I'm going to go and type in, for example, hello there, and we're going to make this bold, okay? Now to do this, what you have to do is simply highlight over that specific text, just like this, to actually select it. So there we go. I'm not doing the best job here, but let's say this is going to be our selection of our text. There we go. And then what you have to do at the very bottom, you can see there's going to be a few buttons. You want to tap on this one over here, which is called formatting. So of course the one which is like a pen with the A button. So just tap on that. And then from here, you simply want to tap on the B button. And there we go. As you can see, your text is now bold. Now you could also go ahead and hold the side button to select text as well. So I can go and do this more. So I'm in formatting right now. I can just go and basically tap on B over here and then go and kind of select my text. But the best way is going to be to basically just select whatever text you want. And then you want to go to the bottom and tap on this formatting and then B. And that's really all you have to do, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.